Hey, hi. We have done with the all detection part and prediction part. We have done with the drowsiness detection, yawning detection, vehicle distance estimation, lane detection, and basic simulation and alerting. Whatever we have discussed, we have done with all those modules. So this is the basic login page which I have created just for a login purpose. And once you add the proper credential, it will give the home screen. Okay. Here you can either select image or video means the input source for the driving. Okay, because we are not integrating IoT, right? So we need something input. So we let's go with the video. Okay, and I have given you some sample videos. You can download or record your own. Okay, so I have given some YouTube videos. So let me select your long one. Okay, so once you select the video, it will load all modules and video, and it will give the output. Okay, it will take some time depending on your laptop performance. Okay, so I suggest to keep good laptop with having good performance. Okay, so as you can see in the left part, it is giving a live camera footage. Okay, and here it is giving recorded video. Okay, so in the left part, if you see, it is showing me eye is open. Okay, so make sure you should like do not wear glasses. So also it is playing alert, right? So as you can see, you have heard some alert, right? Why you are heard the alert? Because if you see in the lane detection part, there was the vehicle which was very close, right? So we have added a validation key. If vehicle within 10 meter, then it will give alert. Okay, to get alert. Okay, so, and same way, if eye is closed, let me close my eyes, like seems like close, then it will play alert. Okay, just like right now it is happening. So similarly, if I close my eyes for a longer time, it will then send the alert. Okay, similarly we have done with the yawning, like if I do yawning kind of thing. Okay, so it will give the alert. Okay, so this is configurable. We can configure the eye ratio. As of now I have kept big eye ratio. Okay, that's why it is detecting. But if let's wait for to close the alert sound. Okay, so everything is configurable. Like if we want to है ना कि अगर हमें डिस्टेंस बढ़ाना है, जस्ट लाइक कि अभी 10 मीटर के अंदर ही 10 फीट के अंदर ही वो अलर्ट दे रहा है, सो वी कैन ऑल्सो डू द दैट पार्ट. सिमिलरली जस्ट लाइक कि अभी आई मेरी ओपन है बट समटाइम्स गिविंग मी ड्रोजीनेस. ओके, व्हाई? बिकॉज आई एम ब्लिंकिंग माई आईज. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई. So similarly, yawning is the let me close the window. So as you can see, this is the vehicle wheel, which is showing the kind of simulation thing, and there's a video. So as you can see, it is detecting the vehicles and the distance. And okay, similarly here it is showing the eye open and face detection. Okay, I am right now not in good lighting condition, that's why. Okay. So as you can see, there is a EAR value and MAR value. Okay, so this is configurable. So we have configured if EAR value means the eye ratio is 0. Less than 0.2, then it will show the detection alert or drowsiness alert. Else it will consider as eye open. Okay, so this all is configurable and mathematical calculation. Okay, so yeah, we have done with this system. And if you want to see the alert part, so it is giving me alert like this way. Okay, so it is dropping a simple mail. So here we can configure your own email address and name, so it will enable to your email address. Okay, so yeah, this is all about your system.
Thank you guys for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.